Today we are going to make Adai. This is a very famous South Indian dish. It is actually a very high protein crepe. You may call it a crepe, but we put all kinds of exotic things into it. So let us start. Are you going to tell us what we're going to do?
So first you want to put 1/3 cup of Chana Dal into a bowl along with 1/3 cup of Urid Dal into a cup and 1/3 cup of Toor Dal into a cup. And you also want to put 1/3 cup of rice and 4 hot red chili peppers into a bowl and let it soak for 6 hours.
Okay, after 6 hours, we are going to put it in the blender and blend it with 3/4 spoon of
Salt.
Yeah. Okay, we got that.
And this is what your batter should look like.
Okay. So now we have all these ingredients which are optional.
Yes, so what we have here is cashews, curry leaves, ginger, chili peppers, green chili peppers, shallots, and cilantro.
We actually started with 1 cup of cashew nuts, but she's been eating it on the slide. So we're down to like half a cup. These are all optional items which you can add if you like them. They're totally optional. So now we're going to start making the Adai.
Adai.
Okay, turn the stove on. So, what all are we going to put in this? So, I know you like the cashew nuts, so all of it. What about the cilantro?
And do some cilantro.
You can put half of that if you don't like a whole lot of shallots. That's enough. You can throw the chili peppers in, all of it. Done? Okay, now mix it. Good job mixing. Very good. You forgot the curry leaves. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Use some muscle power, mix it. Okay. We're done with that. Now we're going to make the Adai. This will be just testing to see if it's hot enough. I usually use a potato. I don't know for what reason, but it's supposed to help. Now, you're going to put some oil around it. You want to do that? Put oil around it. That's enough. Don't want it too high. It has to be cooking on medium. Now a little bit of oil in the holes. Yeah, you're not paying attention, listen, baby. Little bit of that. Inside that one. Little bit. Done. Now wait. Now it has to cook. We're done. Then you have to turn it. Good job, lady. Now you have to eat it when it's done.
I know.
Enjoy.
Not yet brown. Okay, if you, this where you're running away. Okay, late. Okay. If you want to add more calories to this, what do you think you'll be doing? What is the thing you'll add?
Butter.
That's right. It'll be crispier. You'll add some calories, but it'll be crispy when you add it. But not right now. We have to turn it. What do you think? Actually, you can add anything you want to this by way of, if you want to add carrots, grated carrots, you can do that.
What about chocolate chips?
Chocolate chip? No, no chocolate chip.
Ice cream?
No ice cream. You can add
Whipped cream.
whipped cream. Maybe on top you can eat Adai with whipped cream. I have not tried that, but you can. It's not yet ready. This takes time. Don't crank it up. I know you're impatient, but you cannot crank it up. You can add actually even pieces of broccoli, cauliflower,
Spinach.
spinach. Very good. I know you're a big vegetable person, right? Aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, you eat a lot of vegetables. Check and see if it's brown. Just peek. No, not yet. It has to turn golden brown.
Oh,
Not yet.
it's getting there.
Getting there. Leave it. Leave it. It has to cook. So you can do a little dance in the meantime while it cooks. You want to do your little dance? That's marching, that's not dancing. What happened to all the Bollywood dance you learned?
Yeah.
Move, we don't want it to splash.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
That looks beautiful. Look at that.
What do you think?
High five.
You did a super job. It came out real good. Now if you want, you can add a little butter to it.
Can add that butter we've been waiting for.
Now it's a high calorie protein Adai. The other side has to cook. You can do another dance in the meantime. Okay. I think we are done.
Are we done?
Yes.
Looks beautiful. Can you put it, are you guys going to take it off? Put it on the plate?
Yeah, put it on the plate.
All right. All right. Can you guys hold it up for me together?